I'm Jen Musty. I own Batter Bakery here in San Francisco, and we sell at the Saturday Farmers Market. What you commonly see in the Cucurbit family are squash, gourds, melons, cucumbers, and I just discovered is actually loofah. So what we think of as like scrubbing loofah actually is one of the Cucurbit family as well. Most people don't think of cucurbits as a sweet family. Melons is sweet and juicy, and then you think of summer squash, and winter squash is more of sort of a dense, savory item. And we're excited to take cucurbits and turn them into some delicious desserts for the summer celebration. Doing some sort of summer squash cake and cucumber cream to go with it. We do all of our shopping here at the market, and it's really amazing to just build the vendor relationships, and Cuesa has really facilitated that for me. I love giving back to them. I love that they're always great at sharing anything that we're doing and sort of showcasing our work, so it's a great partnership.